one cute little dachshund, one cute little puggy, and a cute little Yorkie. Hi.
Can't get enough of him. She follows him everywhere. Look.
Roxy, how are you gonna react?
Oh, he's shaking again. Oh. Just circling around him.
Ruby.
I'm just gonna stand over him. Not gonna leave his side. You're making him scared, Ruby.
Yes, it is true. We have a new baby puppy in this house, about a month old, born on 2 months old, born March 7th. And his name is Remy. Ain't that right, Roxy? We got Roxy, Remy, and Ruby, all very, very lazy right now. But yes, there's a new puppy in this house. More content coming soon.